Wagwan YouTube, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. Okay, my YouTube family, so here I have all of my ingredients that I'm going to use to make my spice bun or my Easter bun. So in here I have a mixture. This is the wet ingredients. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description for this wet ingredients. So you want to combine all of your wet ingredients, and we're just going to put this on the stove just to get it warm and everything to come together nicely. And over here I have my flour. So I have my dry ingredients. This includes my flour and all of my spices and also the raisins. You want to make sure that you sieve your flour, and I'm also going to tell you how to soak your raisins for your bun. So here I have all of my fruits that I will be using, some green cherries and some red cherries. I have my raisins, and my raisins are soaking in some J. Ray and Neville white rum and some red label wine. I have these soaking for 1 week, but you can soak them for up to 3 or 4 days. Over here I have my eggs that I have beaten. So you want to just leave this aside for now, and I'm going to put a little twist to my Easter bun. So I'm going to do 3 flavors. So I'm going to do coconut, I'm going to do carrot, and I'm just going to do our regular Easter bun with our raisins. You can add some mixed fruit peel if you wish. So here I have some shredded coconut and also some shredded carrots. Alright, so after you warm up your wet ingredients, you want to leave it to cool down. So right now it is cooling down. Your eggs, you want to grate some lime zest or lemon zest, or you can just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in your eggs just to cut out the rawness. Okay, so we're just gonna incorporate our wet ingredients in our dry ingredients, and we're just gonna add this gradually. So a little bit at a time, and mix. We don't want to overwork our batter, okay? So we're adding some more. I just want to mix that out. I'm going to leave the ingredients for a single bun, but I am doing more than one bun right now, okay? You can always double your ingredients. So what we want to do, we want to add our eggs. And we're adding the rest of our ingredients, our wet ingredients. Now we're gonna combine all of this. As I'm saying, I don't want to overwork it, but we need everything to combine. All of the flour and so is combined, then you just want to stop working it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, because I'm making more than one flavor, I'm going to take some of my butter and add it to a different bowl, okay? Okay, so now we're going to we're going to use the carrots first. So we're going to add our carrots, and you can add about ½ cup of carrots, and we're just going to combine this in the batter that we took out. And here I have my bun tin that I already greased and lined the bottom with parchment paper. So just combine your carrot in your mixture, and this, remember, this also have the raisins because the flour had the raisins in there. All right, so now we're gonna put this in our bun tin, and you want to leave some room for the bun to rise, so you don't want to fill up your bun tin, okay? Alright guys, so this is the carrot. Now we're going to do the same with the coconut. Okay YouTube, so now we're going to add our coconut flakes or our grated coconut. Alright, gonna combine this. We have another bun tin that is already lined and waiting again. Alright, so this is our coconut flavor going in our bun tin. Nice. See the consistency, guys? So the two flavors are ready. I just want to tap this and get out some of the air bubbles. And what we're gonna do now, as I'm saying, tap them down, level them off. Alright, so for the plain ones with just the raisins, we're just gonna add some cherries. I'm just gonna add them on top. I'm using red and green cherries. You can put them anywhere you want, guys. You don't have to put them in no specific order. Alright, my lovely people, so these are our bun. 3 flavors, and we're gonna pop them in the oven now. Our oven is preheating at 330 degrees. I wanna bake these for 1 hour or until you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out nice and clean. Okay, alright, so we're gonna prepare our glaze. So we're using 1 tablespoon of brown cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of butter, and we're going in with 2 tablespoons of honey, and then we're gonna add some water. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna bring this to a boil just to get everything nice melted and combined together. You want to make sure that you cool this down before we glaze our bun with it. So we're gonna just put this on the stove right now and have the butter melted and everything come nicely together. Alright, so all of our buns are ready. Yes, so this is the result. Those 2 are already glazed with our glaze. Make sure that your glaze is cooled down before you use it, and you want to glaze your bun while they are hot. Okay, and now we're going to glaze it. These 3. So what I do, I just brush out the glaze just like this. So I have my glaze over here. I just want to brush it on. Yes, and then you're gonna leave these to cool down. Make sure it's cool down before you cut into it. Okay, my YouTube family, make sure that it is cooled before you cut into this. So let me know what you think about my 3 flavor bun recipe. I also have another Easter bun recipe on my channel. You can check out that one as well. It's different from this one. You know, we're up to trying new things, new recipes, so you can try them out and see which one of these you like best. Alright, my people, so it's the next day, and what we're gonna do now, we are going to cut into one of our buns to see the goodness inside. So we're just gonna turn it out. See how easy? Yes, nice and easy to come out. So let's see the moment of truth. Cut into one right now. Wow, feels so soft and moist. See that, guys? So soft and moist. Yes, look at that. Soft and delicious. You can see the raisins all over, so I used green raisins.